The first thing we're going to do on this Bronco is take a look at the exhaust, and we're going to step it up a little bit because as cool as this thing looks and as aggressive as it looks, it's just quiet. So here's what we have to do for storyline purposes, right? Maybe we fire it up and we listen to it now, and then we fire it up later with the Borla on there, and we have a comparison.
Like get the audio before and after.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
it's very popular in this industry.
Do you have the keys?
No, I don't have the keys. In fact, I don't know if this is a key or a push button or you do something to turn it on.
That's so old
Can you
school.
get this? Can you fire this thing up?
You're so 1990. Hold on a second. Yeah. What do you think?
You're not even holding.
You're right.
anything
It's very unimpressive.
I mean, we could totally talk over it.
Uh-huh.
All right. I tell you what is impressive.
All right, hold on. Let me just.
I don't know how you.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
That was just annoying.
You got a chip in your head?
No, I do heavy meditation these days.
You've been hanging out with Elon Musk. You got a little something.
I do what I have
planted
to
in
do.
there or something.
So, all right, let's talk about a solution to that non-existent problem. You know, you have no sound. Now you got to give it some sound.
And we're going to do that with the Borla Axle-Back Attack System that we've got right here. Now, we've worked with the Borla systems many, many times in the past. It gives a very unique, kind of aggressive sound to it. I really like it, and it's an easy system to install because it's axle back, right? So it's one piece.
Yeah, easy we love over here. You know, and the thing is, it's a nice quality piece because not only does it flow better with the mandrel bends, it's got the 4-inch exhaust tips coming out the back, which I got to tell you, if you want any vehicle to have that like cool factor, you look around the back, you see dual exhaust, you know it's cool. It's a good black look. I mean, the finish is going to stay, you know, for a long time. It's not going to rust out, so it's going to look good, sound good, and perform better than the stock setup.
You gonna tell me yet how you turn that thing on and off?
Let's keep that between us. I don't want people asking questions. Sometimes I get twitchy. Yeah.
How did you do it again?
All right, hold on, wait, kill it. Sorry, it was annoying. All right, let's get this thing up in the air and get to work.
He's like a miracle of modern science. All right, there we go, dude. Let me get out of your way.
So this job is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is remove the one bolt, which Matt already did, and then take the existing muffler off of the hanger. So give yourself a little bit of time, make the job a little easier, use a little bit spray lubricant on the rubber part of the hanger, and use a tool like this if you can get your hands on one. And what it does, it actually just slides it right off and makes the job a little bit easier. That's one there. And we get one more, and we'll pull this down. Matt, you might want to come in here and keep it from falling on my head.
I got you, dude. Here, I'll spot you.
You're good like that. Have to give it a little wiggle. You're gonna get a little water on you.
Yeah. It's not the first time.
There you go.
Oh, I did all right, dude.
Thanks, sir.
There you go. You got that. Dude. All right, we'll run these down and we can hang this thing back up. All right.
Do the heavy lifting as always, man.
Doing all the work.
You do all our stunts, buddy.
I do my own stunts. Oh. Bruno, we've done a lot of exhaust installs over the years, like a lot of them, but that's one of the easier ones that we did, so that's pretty cool.
I love the axle-back exhaust,
Absolutely.
man. I mean, it just, let's get right to the meat and potatoes, right?
Yeah, and the rest of the stuff's all good, so, you know, why replace all that?
I'm
right?
with you.
Now, what we have to do is test the sound, so...
Are you ready?
Yeah, Can we get somebody to start it up?
I got this.
You...
Hold on. You want to hear it revved up?
Yeah, I want to hear it.
I got to stretch for a second.
You good? He's concentrating.
Dude, it sounds awesome.
It does sound good. I haven't quite figured this part out yet, but let me try it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I turned it off on accident. Like,
No.
I didn't even mean to do that.
Yeah, it didn't work that way, but that's okay.
Thoroughly confused. Oh, dude, look. Now that the top's down, we can hear that exhaust, dude. Listen to that Borla purr.
We just reek of manliness right now.
We really do.
Two dudes cruising.
Let me tell you something. In all honesty,
Top down, Borla in the back.
if there were any chicks within 10 square miles of here, they would be staring at us right now. And I would just drive by them and I'd be like, and I would rev it just like this. I'd be like, no thanks.
Oh, heck yeah.
No thanks.
Yeah.